Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have 5 amazing and secret tricks of Google Map, and I'm sure most of the Android users do not know about it, but these all of them are really amazing and very useful. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now let's talk about the first trick. Let's suppose you have set a route from your place to any place. This is the route which I have set it here. Now here on this page there is a very small icon. You can click on this one, and here you can also click on this show satellite map. You can turn it off here and it will look like this. But if you turn it on from here, it will look like this. It will give you the clear picture how it is look like. And not only this, you can also click on this share trip process. If you want to share how speedily you are going and at what place you are exactly are, then you can share it to your friends on WhatsApp by clicking on this option. That is also very useful. And one more thing you can also add here, you can click on this add a report. If you find any glitch or any car crash or the road is jammed, anything you found which you want to share, you can select it from there, these options, and you can add it in the Google Map, and this will really help the other people. So these are the things which you can do it with the first trick. Now let's talk about the second. For the second trick, you can click on your photo and then you can click on this location sharing, and then you can click on this new share, and you can share your location to your friend, to anyone who is coming to you and not finding your place. So you can select the timing, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and send it your location on their WhatsApp so they can easily find you. So this is an amazing trick which you can also share with your friends, with your family, anyone. You can share your location to them very easily. Now let's talk about the third trick. And the third trick, again, you have to click on the photo, click on your timeline, and in your timeline you will be reaching on this page. With this trick you can able to know the previous history on Google Map, where exactly you went and what places you went on which date. Yes, you can click on this calendar here, and all these are the dates here. You can select any one of them and you will come to know where exactly you went from your home to at what place and when you came back. Everything you can come to know your past history. Not only this, you can also select on the top, that's a trip, on which places and how many trips you have done in last 248 days. You can see on the bottom, these are the trips which I have done in last 248 days, and these are the places where I have reached as well recently, and I can able to check it. And these all are the cities where I have reached recently in India, and these are the cities where I have reached in the world. So in the timeline you can able to know previous history of yours, where exactly you have went and when did you came back. So you should try this one as well. Now let's talk about the fourth trick, and the fourth trick is really amazing. You have to go to the setting for this, and in setting you have to click on this manage your preferences. When you click on this one, you will be getting 3 options. You can click on this interested, and then you will be getting some options. You can click on this add topic, and you will be getting some topics which you can add in your Google Map. And whenever you drive your car and you are going somewhere, Google Map will let you know if it finds anything according to your preferences. Let's suppose if I preference here the Asian food, I can select this one, and I can select the Mexican food as well and the North Indian as well, and then click on this add preferences, and it will automatically get added, and all these things are added in my preference. If I drive and go anywhere, Google Map will let me know if it finds anything in my place. So you should add all the preferences in Google Map as well. Now let's talk about the last trick. Again, for that you have to click on the photo, and here you have to click on this offline map, and in offline map you have to click on your select your own map. And here you can able to download the offline map. If you're going at a place where the internet is not available, then you can able to select the area which you are looking for, and then you can click on this download, and it will get downloaded on your phone. And whenever you go anywhere, you can simply just click on this one, and it will be right in front of you, and you can able to reach that place. So this is an amazing feature of Google Map as well, to download map as well. So these all are the tricks which I have right now for Google Map. I hope you like all of them, but make sure that you should update your Google Map before you check all these settings in your Google Map. Any question related to this, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.